So if you have any area on your website where it has collapsible and expanding areas, that would be under the listing in the CMS. So you can go up to Administrator, click on Listing, find right here it says FAQs, that's the one on our website that's labeled as. Click on the little edit icon here, and you'll see all the different listings. To edit an existing one, you can just click on the blue wrench, and you can edit the text here, add new links, whatever you need to do. If you want to add a new one, you can do add list items. You can create 5 at a time. We'll just add and then do add items. So it came up down here. So now to add content to that section header, click on the blue wrench. And then you can just paste whatever you'd like. You don't need to change anything in here. You don't need to worry about these. And then if you have more than one kind of listing, it will show up in here. Kind of like the multiple galleries in the gallery tool. You should save changes. Go back to your page. Refresh. And there's 8 down here.